got the tool. Where's the tool?
You are the tool.
Welcome back to the channel. This week I'm back working on Viking Audi TT again. So you might remember I did the stickers for it before, but unfortunately some of them have started peeling. The heat is really taking its toll on the stickers, so today I'm making a fresh set, making them simpler and bigger, so hopefully they stay on this time. So grab a brew, sit back and let's get into it.
Should we have mashed potato or not?
Oh no. So some of you may have seen the Instagram post that I put on about 2 weeks ago about the stickers on the Audi TT. Well, the stickers are still on, so I must have done something right. Yeah, so I need to make some new stickers. We're in a bit of a mess, so we're going to try and make it look a bit better because it looks a little bit poopy at the minute. The studio is an absolute mess at the moment. I've literally been flicking from project to project and not really taking any time to tidy up. So I apologise for the mess. It's not normally this untidy. I'm not a scruff. It's just, oh, that's quite damaged, that bit. It's just, I've been very busy. So I need to just spend like a morning. All is going good. I've cut out some YouTube ones. Now I'm just doing some Audi ones. He's not said if he wants the 4 rings or anything, but I'm just going to go ahead and do those anyway. But at the moment, I'm just doing the lettering. This is a bit of a mess, this piece. This is... I can't use this. We can't use this. This is no good. I need a nice, uncreased, undamaged sheet. Such a noob. Ow. Ow. It's a shame I haven't got any more of the red really, because I think the actual Audi logo would look a lot better in the red, but I've run out and we really haven't got time for me to go and get any more. So we're just going to be doing it in this that we got from Skywrap. So yeah, it should look pretty It should look pretty cool. It should look pretty cool because it'll be still in keeping with the rest of the stickers, or what's left of it, on the on the car. So yeah, that looks pretty alright, that. Looking good. So he wants them quite big, so I've had to separate the logo into, obviously, in half. So we've got O and then D. If you're enjoying the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Why did I do that? Why did I just chop the A away from the U? I have no idea why I did that. Oh, it's not the end of the world, I suppose. It's just going to make it a tiny bit more awkward when I'm adding the D to it. Now it's going to A-U-D. Can't not do the rings now, can we? Come on. Woo! Lovely. Oh. Right, my G's, let's go and take these stickers to Thomas. He's down at the unit there already doing a few things on the car with Stephen. I think he's with Stephen. So let's go. Hey up, what's going on here then? Hello. Hello, sunshine.
Yeah.
Stephen's hiding. How's it going?
It's going.
She's flying.
Right.
She's flying.
She is flying. Ready now.
Right, so we're just getting ready to put the stickers on now. Tom redid this bit. I think it looks 1,000 times better. I think you did a really good job there, babe. Yeah, it's much better. All the names are starting to peel off. I think what it was is because we had that mega hot weather, didn't we, where it was like 35 degrees or something silly. They were fresh on, black car, heated them up and they started peeling off. We have got a slight little bit of damage from where we were trying to get some of the remainder off, but it's nothing that can't be fixed. We can sort it, can't we? We can do something. Jigglypuff. We've got all the stickers ready and raring to go to get on the car. So I just wanted to show you these. You ordered these, didn't you, babe?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's a really good idea if I can get into it. They are some QR codes. Yay! Where do you want these?
No, I'm going to have YouTube and then...
And then this at the end of it?
Yeah.
Cool, so that will be... So it's going to be something like that. Tom's just redone this panel on here to cover up where the paintwork had come off. I think it's looking pretty decent, that. So now we're going to get the Audi, the letters going up there, just like that. So let's get that done. Pretty smart, that, actually. Right, I'm doing the black box on the other side, aren't I?
Yeah.
That goes underneath the Audi. Please. Thank you, please. Right, so let's get that. I actually messed this bit up. As you can see, when I'm putting the grey strip down, I didn't actually move it over far enough for it to then tuck in. Let's not talk about that. Let's redo this. Let's get it right this time. I say get it right, it still won't be perfect, but nevertheless, we'll give it a go. Oh, I've just realised I've not marked it out either. Right, oh, we're just going to have to eyeball it. Ah, looks pretty bang on, actually. We should be alright. She says. Oh, fingers crossed, eh, guys? No. That looks really good. And to say I eyeballed that, I think it's not too bad. Ta-da! Wait for this bit.
I'll need you in the car with Tom.
So Tom said he wanted the YouTube sticker
Right, off.
to go
Flash
along
it.
the section
No,
here,
flash
and then
it.
the QR code at the end. I'm actually really unhappy with how I did this. Yeah, it kind of went off on a little bit of an angle, and then the QR code, I put that on horrendously wonky. It ended up with a tiny, ever so slight crease in it, but thankfully the QR code does still work.
So when we get turned on, they're on, if you know what I mean.
Right, Tom, on this side it's going to be opposite, so it's going to be YouTube and then the QR code, or do you still want the QR code
I think
on
I'll
that
put
end?
the QR code still at that end and wide.
I agree, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Right, headlights straight on.
That's side lights.
No, that's headlights. That's side lights.
Headlights.
That's headlights.
Hey. Headlight.
Which one?
Do you mean me?
Yeah.
Right. Raw.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. You got enough light? Got the headlight, it's got your bulb.
Why is the air conditioning still not working?
Tom,
Hello?
shut up.
Stephen knows how I feel what it's like to put up with this one.
I keep seeing it on the side somewhere.
Right, turn them all off.
Everything off.
Yeah.
Yeah. My boot cage is falling out. You glued it and I had to undo it because it was all wonky.
You gotta do the noises.
Weep, weep. Oh, that's small. Got dumped out.
Is it actually gonna sound like that?
What?
Oh.
What's that? I want to see what it sounds like with it.
Now moving on to the front of the car. Stephen had a really good idea. On the lights, we're going to put the letters Audi. Aren't we, babe? Yeah. Tom likes that idea, and I think it's a great idea, so that's what we're going to do next. Now, I know some of you are thinking, what are you doing? They're not going to last 5 minutes. They're just going to melt off. We know, we did discuss this, but we thought we'd just go ahead and do it anyway because it's really not that big of a deal. If they come off, they come off.
You got enough lights?
So, as we've been checking the light on Stevens found this one broken. So, we'll go get us a new bulb. Is it worth getting a couple of these or just one? Is it worth checking all the other bulbs before we go?
No, it's making one more.
I don't want to keep going back and forth.
No.
I'm driving.
Wow. You want a gear stick on one, not doing that.
I don't know how well these will stay on.
Probably not very well.
No, because I just needed to redo it and it came off really easily. Yeah, they probably won't stay on, but whatever. They look good for the time that they're on there.
Yeah.
There we go. Like I said, they probably won't last very long, but I do think it looks pretty cool.
Hey! Looks really
What
good.
we doing next?
I need more YouTube stickers on there.
That- yeah.
Thinking bonnet, but we can't in the bonnet just yet.
Well, I can always leave those
Find
with
some
you.
white strippers.
Yeah.
Oh, are yours?
Not yours.
Within that box?
Yeah.
Yay!
You're working shortly.
Nice. You're not putting these ones on?
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Where do you want them?
I don't know. We'll have a look. One on the back, obviously. Magic.
There's a bit more skill to it than that, babe.
No, I'll put it on and then I'll come back and go.
Alright, okay.
I did it.
Doesn't the phone need to be in like a tripod so it doesn't
Yeah, I
move?
normally do it like that, yeah. So, never mind.
This is the moment Tom noticed the messed up QR code. What? Right, so you want this on here, do you? Whereabouts?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm not doing mash. You won't stop mithering me for mashed potato for tea. I don't want to make mashed potato.
Potato, beans, we've already got the sausages cut. They're ready. Just mashed potato.
I don't want to do mash.
Beans.
Mm. Well, I was thinking of doing those baby potatoes, dicing them with some garlic and
Oh, mashed potato.
herbs.
Mashed potato. Beans. Bangers and mash.
Such a child.
Thank you.
Right, my work here is done. I am going to leave the YouTube stickers for Tom to do. He wants those on the bonnet, but I can't do those right now because obviously Stephen's doing some work underneath that. Pardon?
What?
What are you saying? What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
I'm going on straight.
Do you know what? I'll take that because...
I'm only joking.
No, I'll take that. The first QR code I put on was this one here. And don't look at it. Don't look at it. I'm not going to show you again.
What do you reckon, Kerry? Clear?
What?
I'm thinking of just could we turn these wing mirrors into play buttons?
What do you mean turn them into play buttons?
Put a play there. So like a black triangle. Like in that way.
So you mean that, the play button, but in black?
Just have a black triangle, innit?
We'll let the viewers decide.
Okay. Should we have a play button?
Let us know in the comments what you think. Do you think we should put that on there?
Should we have mashed potato or not?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No. Oh. It's not even worth the hassle of not doing it. I may as well just do it because I'll just have earache for the rest of the evening. Just as I was getting ready to leave, Stephen had actually ended up finishing working with the headlights, so it was the perfect time for me to get the stickers on the bonnet. Where do you want it?
Is that your camera? I'm having it.
Well, these USB.
Yeah. Well, not that adapter.
Here, like this.
Yeah, but bring it a bit further forward because we'll have the QR code at the end.
Right.
Bring it down a bit. That way. A bit more. There.
Right.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too late. It just said there, so it's on its own.
That's the one. Oh, is it just peeled paint off?
Taking paint off.
Oh, I'll just get a pen on it. Worst spray job in the world.
That's on you, not me.
It's alright, I've been covered in scratches when I get to the one side.
Yeah, just when it gets mud on it, just don't ever clean it.
No.
I'm too hot. Where are we going?
That way a little bit. See, we put it down.
Yeah, so
That way a bit.
I think the play sign. I'm not sure.
It'd be so much easier if we just actually measured and marked.
Play down that way a little bit. The sock, that's it. Sorry.
Are you sure?
Done. Yeah.
Have I got the tool? Where's
That'll
the
do.
tool?
You are the tool.
Tom's the tool.
There you go.
Thank you.
And then play the thingy, but the QRs here and there.
I might just get you to do QR codes since I've messed up on them. I'll definitely be sticking to my day job anyway.
I'm making mashes, it's Derek.
Definitely not getting mash. Don't deserve mash.
Yeah, we did.
Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss another video, and I will see you on the next one.
Don't touch it. Break it.
Just on.